Mastering time. Prepositions for time relationships in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another engaging episode where we'll explore an exciting aspect of English language grammar, prepositions. In today's lesson, we're focusing on prepositions to show time relationships. As we move along, remember, practice is key. Let's dive right in. Prepositions are small words that connect and make relationships between words in a sentence. When we use prepositions to show time, they help us understand when something happens. The most common prepositions of time are at, on, and in. For example, we use at for precise times. I will meet you at 10 o'clock. We use on for days and dates. My birthday is on Tuesday. We use in for longer periods, such as months, years, and seasons. I was born in 1980. Understanding how and when to use these prepositions can make your English more fluent and natural. Now that we've understood the basics, let's look at some more examples of these prepositions in use. At, the movie starts at 7 p.m. On, we are going for a picnic on Saturday. In, it often snows in winter. Remember, the key to learning these prepositions is practice. Try to use them in your daily conversations. Apart from at, on, and in, there are other prepositions of time we often use like before, after, during, and between. Here's how you can use them. Before, I always have a cup of coffee before I start my day. After, she will go to the park after school. During, I read a lot of books during the holidays. Between, the seminar will happen between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. These prepositions will help you describe time in a more detailed and precise way. And that's it for today, folks. We've learned about how to use prepositions to show time relationships in English. Remember, learning is a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to mastery. Keep practicing these prepositions in your daily conversations and writing. We hope this lesson was helpful and enjoyable. Stay tuned for more interesting lessons on English grammar. Happy learning!